Dear friends, before you start whole program, you must understand what are the rules and regulations. That is very important to follow. This is strictly you need to follow this. Then only you can get the highest benefit of Vipassana meditation. First thing that you should avoid the violence. Violence that happen through your body action, your thoughts and speech. So definitely you are going to be silent. So you are not going to speak any harsh word to others. And those who are doing the partial Vipassana, also they should understand that whenever they are talking or using the phone or interacting with the people, the non-violence or the compassion should come out in your talk, in your action, in your speech. Understand? This is very important to know. And you should be vegetarian or vegan in this time. That help you a lot to create the compassion in your heart. Don't tell a lie. Do not take anything else from others without their permissions. Dear friends, you have to be truthful. Don't tell a lie or do not do the interaction with that lie. Be truthful in your activities. You must not do any kind of sexual activities, as well as you have to be free from all intoxicants, tobaccos, alcohol, etc. That help you a lot. Dear friends, one more thing you need to understand, that do not read any kind of books during this period of time. Only you have to read what I have given to you. Do not bring more information to your mind, no news channel, nothing else. So, and you are going to be silent. That's why you need to be focused. So, do not see others like, do not close eyes to eyes. Always try to see down and watch the breath or whatever practices I have given. That help you a lot. Okay, do not touch others, do not hug others. In this time, be away from this kind of things. It helps you a lot. Okay, so when you are away from this kind of activities, you go more deeper and deeper to yourself. Otherwise, what happens? If you hug others, if you touch others, if you speak to others, if you see others, then their feelings, their energy will come to you and they will play inside you and make you disturb in your practice. Okay, these are the specific small things that I have told you. And your food, what to eat, what not to eat, everything that I have written, you must read that. And all there are so many other things also I have mentioned. Please follow them as much as possible and be ready for the 10 days of challenge. Thank you.